Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for May 26, 2020. If you look at the chart on the left side, that's the SPY SP 500 ETF, and you can see that the market have been stuck in this area for a while, and after over the long weekend, it quietly break out and go above 200-day moving average. So after they get out, they hit to the resistance, so they pull back and try to fill up the gap and retest the level that they have been break out over the weekend. So let's see how far the market can go up to this level. So if you look at the right side at the EMD SP 500 future, you see that over the weekend the market it tried to quietly they break out after many days. They get stuck into the 29.75 level. So over the weekend they just punt through it and hit to the upside right into the blue box, which is we have specified in our live trading room every day so that our member will know where the market is heading to. So this morning we're already warning our member the market they will hit to the resistance level. So somebody will take the profit and then the market try to hang there and then they come down. If you are a day trader, you can see it very clearly in our live trading room. We specify the level many days last week, and after they hold up, they break out over the weekend, they punt it through, and then after they get to resistance, they pull it back. So right now, this line will be a resistance now become a support level. Let's see how far it will come down. So you can see that in the morning when the market is open, they shoot it back up. They try to catch those people that jump in late, and then after that, the market it goes sideways. They pull back right into the support level, and then they bow from there. So I take a quick trade from the support level here, push it back up right into the sell zone, take the profit, and then after that the market goes sideways, and then they give up in the last minute to pull it back down. So right now some people will take the profit, so we will see that how far they're coming down, but this line now become a support. So definitely the uptrend is still there, so probably they try to push it one more leg up to complete the whole move since March 23rd, and then we will go from there. So as long as the market is still in the uptrend, we will stay in the uptrend. Until they show it, they are going to reverse. And then we will change the course and then go to short the market. So today, I take a quick trade from here up, and then the total net profit for today is $2,085 for May 26th. So that's what we have for today. And then I hope this video will help you guys to understand how the market move. This is what we are doing every day in our live trading room. We try to identify the direction for our member so that they know where to the market heading to, so that they can day trade, which is a we call the income daily income profit, so that they know what direction the market we're heading to, so that they can trade and make some money to support their family. All right, so this is all I have for you today. And if you would like to learn more about our method, our strategy, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com. And if you like what we're doing here, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will update and let you guys know so you guys can learn something from here. All right, so thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.